Hi student, in this video I will show you how to solve equation by using the basic definition of the hyperbolic function. Okay, basic definition means we will substitute hyperbolic function with exponential function. Okay, for the first example, we have hyperbolic sin x minus 3 hyperbolic cos x plus 3 equal to 0. So based on definition, our basic definition, hyperbolic sin x actually equal to e power of x minus e power of negative x over 2 and then minus 3, and then we have hyperbolic cos x equal to e power of x plus e power of negative x over 2 and then plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, next step, we want to expand the second term and we have denominator over 2. So we have e power of x minus e power of negative x minus 3 e power of x minus 3 e power of negative x over 2 plus 3 equal to 0, and then we can multiply 2 with 3, meantime with 2 over 2, so you get e power of x minus e power of negative x minus 3 e power of x minus 3 e power of negative x plus 6 equal to 0, this one over 2, and then we can multiply 2 with right hand side with 0, so we get and then we can simplify this term, e power of x minus 3 e power of x equal to negative 2 e power of x and then minus 4 e power of negative x plus 6 equal to 0, and then from this equation we have power negative, so the term with power negative we can write as negative 2 e power of x minus 4 over e power of x. We want to write in expression, we have power negative positive plus 6 equal to 0, and then we can simplify this. Another term is over 1, so we can multiply with with e power of x over e power of x, so we get negative 2 e power of 2x minus 4 plus 6 e power of x over e power of x equal to 0, and then we can multiply e power of x with 0, so we get negative 2 e power of 2x plus 6 e power of x minus 4 equal to 0, and then we can factor out negative 2. So here negative 2 times e power of 2x minus 3 e power of x plus 2 equal to 0, and we can divide negative 2 to right hand side, move to right hand side mean divide, so we get e power of 2x minus 3 e power of x plus 2 equal to 0. So 0 over value, 0 over negative 2 actually equal to 0. Okay, next we need to factorize this equation. So you can let y equal to e power of x, and then we get y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, and then factorize have y times y square, 2 times 1, 2, so 2y, y, 3y, and then we want negative 3y and positive 2, so we get y minus 1 times y minus 2 equal to 0. So for the first bracket, y minus 1 equal to 0, y equal to 1, and y actually equal to e power of x. So e power of x equal to 1. Okay, this one, e power of x equal to 1, and then we can apply ln on both sides. So we get ln e power of x equal to ln 1, and then based on properties we can bring down the power. So x ln e equal to ln 1. Okay, ln e actually equal to 1, so we get x equal to ln 1, and ln 1 actually equal to 0, so we get x equal to 0. And then for the second bracket, we have y minus 2 equal to 0, y equal to 2, and then y actually equal to e power of x equal to 2, and then apply ln on both sides, we get ln e power of x equal to ln 2, x ln e equal to ln 2, then this one actually equal to 1, so x equal to ln 2, or in decimal actually equal to 0.693. So when we solve equation mean, we will find the value of x. Okay, next, second example. If we have 3 hyperbolic sines x times hyperbolic cos x equal to 0. So first step, just substitute hyperbolic function with exponential function. So we have 3 times e power of x minus e power of negative x over 2, and then time e power of x plus e power of negative x over 2 equal to 0. And then can expand, get 3 e power of 2x plus e power of 0 minus e power of 0 minus e power of negative 2x over 4 equal to 0. And then simplify this, we get 3 e power of 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus e power of negative 2x over 4 equal to 0. And then constant 1 over 4 you can multiply with right hand side equal to 0, and then this one you can cancel out, so we get 3e power of 2x minus 3e power negative 2x equal to 0. Since we have power negative, we can write 3e power of 2x minus 3 over e power of 2x equal to 0, and then we can multiply 3 e power of 4x minus 3 over e power of 2x equal to 0, and then you can multiply this, we get 3 e power of 4x minus 3 equal to 0, 3 e power of 4x equal to 3 e power of 4x equal to 1, and then we can solve this. So just apply ln so ln e power of 4x equal to ln 1 so for x ln e equal to ln 1, and we know that ln 1 equal to 0, this one equal to 1. So for x equal to 0, x equal to 0 over 4 equal to 0. Okay, thank you.